Shaile Martin sprinting through the sand every night. Long blonde hair, orange suit so fine. Miss Magnificent, she's one of a kind. She hits the ropes with skill and grace. Shaile Plex lock, put a smile on your face. Tidal wave crash from the top turnbuckle high. She's surfing the ring, reaching for the sky. High Tide Express, coming through the water spray. Della and Shaile, one falls away with Glamorous Gladys, calling all the shots, riding that wave and connecting the dots. Ba 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 ba. High Tide, ba 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 ba. Feel the ride, total wipeout, slamming down the rest. High Tide Express, they're simply the best. Big wave Della from Honolulu town. Gorilla press lift, never backing down. Brick house strong, undertow drop. The muscle of the marina, she just won't stop. Honolulu, her hammer, elbow to